Chris Hooper with LMI Technologies, and today we are at the Advanced Manufacturing Expo in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today we have three Gocator-based solutions that we're showing. The first of which is our buddy setup, Gocator 2350. This is a reverse buddy setup. This particular configuration allows us to scan down into container-like objects that have vertical walls. The second system we have today is our Gocator 3210 snapshot sensor. This particular sensor is intended to measure parts that are not in motion, fixture. In this case, we're measuring some stamped steel parts, reporting the location and the size of various features on there, including holes, edges, etc. The third system we have today is our Gocator 2520. This is a high-resolution blue laser sensor. Field of view, laser line is about 32 millimeters wide. This particular sensor model is used primarily in the electronics industry, other industries that require high precision.
Hi, I'm Zach Kaiser. I'm with Vantage Corporation, and this is our first Vantage 3D gear inspection machine. We are utilizing three Gocator 2520s, laser line profilers, to collect a three-dimensional point cloud and draw it into the Metrolog CMM software to compare the point cloud values to a CAD model and perform all of your gear inspections in the software. Everything that you would be able to inspect on a Gleason or Klingenberg CMM, we're capable of inspecting here in 30 seconds. The whole intent of this machine is to be 100% inline gear inspection.